Hello everyone, it's me, Aida Campos, and here's a new episode in Knowledge Corner. Today we are going to talk about medical innovations. I think it's a very interesting topic to talk about because the future is coming. We are in a constant evolution. Everything is changing very faster, especially in the field of medicine. Now we can see a lot of products, tools, process, technology in general that it's helping to both doctors and patients to make everything faster and safe. So today I bring to you 4 topics that are very interesting and I think that maybe everyone should know. And these topics are regenerative medicine, nanotechnology, bioprospecting, and brain-computer interfaces. So let's start about information. Thank you. First, start with nanotechnology. What this means? Nanotechnology is a small thing. Nano is an abbreviation of nanometer. This is like 1 billion of a meter. Wow, this is a very small thing. Can you imagine how many nanometers it's in your little finger? No? Well, your finger has 10 million of nanometers. Oh my god, now if you want to impress someone, you can tell him how many nanometers are in your finger. No? Okay, just kidding, it's just about a bad joke. I know. So, nanotechnology consists healing treatments both in surgeries and diseases, using a small process and instruments. For example, a scientist at Rice University could reconnect 2 pieces of animal tissue using this nanotechnology. These scientists create a silica balls covered with gold and they call them nanoshell. I like this name. And this was very helpful for doctors and patients because doctors have very much precision as reconnect with stitches, and for the patient to a speedy recovery and without scars. Wow, I really like this. And also brings a lot of benefits because it is a treatment without risk or side effects. As I said, for patients, they can have faster recovery without pain. And for doctors, make an easy and better work. Wow, this is a really amazing advance. Okay, now it's time of regenerative medicine. I like this topic, it's so amazing because this is an innovative advance who look for replacement body parts using living cells, tissue and organs, of course from the patient who needs the surgery. In Peru, the Dr. Atala says that he already worked on many parts of body, from kidney to ears. Wow, I'll tell you, this topic is amazing. To make this possible, the doctors take a small part of your tissue and separate the cells from other cells to make cells just for the organ that you need. Then inject the cells into a scaffold and incubate to be ready to make the transplant. Can you imagine how much this is going to help patients who need the transplant? Many people die because they can find a donor organ. So with this we can make a big change and save many lives. I love this topic, it's very interesting. Okay, let's continue. Bioprospecting. What is this? Bioprospecting is responsible for the search of valuable substances, such as medicine in living organisms, such as plants and animals, and with this to solve health problems. To know bioprospecting, we need to make some studies. The first method takes a lot of time, and it's not very successful. We need to interview people who use traditional medicines and analyze the substances. The second method is also takes a lot of time because all the plants in the world must be analyzed to know their chemicals that they contain. Oh my god, can you imagine to analyze every single plant? Wow. So, a combination of these two is made, and this is the limit in the search for substances. And not only are substances found in plants or animals, they are also in bacteria. The bacteria can damage health, but also can help to fight disease. For example, the new sunscreen in Norway that it's been developed based on a bacterium that filters ultraviolet light. Could you imagine that the bacterium would take care of a sunscreen? I don't. That's awesome. We save the best for last. Brain-computer interface. Do you know how your brain works? Well, your brain works by sending electrical signals between the nerves to carry out some mobility. This new medical innovation could help people with paralysis or have a disability. Patients must undergo a procedure to implant electrodes, which can create electrical current to generate some movement. It can also use in patients who are losing vision. In the UK are being developed bionic eyes, which act like cameras and send information to the brain. Wow, this is surprising. And this remember me to a series in Netflix that's the name Black Mirror. There is one episode that everyone has a camera in their eyes. It's a little scary. Okay. Another way to use this brain computer is in people with diabetes. With implants are called electroceuticals. These implants help to eliminate sugar from the blood and make the organs who stop producing insulin to make them produce more. Wow, I think this is a very innovative advance. So our time is over. I really want to talk more about these topics, but for today it's all. I hope you liked this episode. It was very interesting and also they are not the only medical advance. There are many more and many more continue to emerge in the future. All these topics that we mentioned before are going to make a big difference in the field of medicine. For doctors, it could be a very faster and easy work, and also most successful. And for patients too, they can have a faster recovery without pain and many stressful recovery process. So, okay guys, thank you so much for being here. I really enjoy it. See you in the next episode in Knowledge Corner. Bye.